Hello YouTube, WhiteD586 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Coming from my 12 Pro Max, which I'm currently recording on. Make sure we cover up all those barcodes and stuff. As you can see, there it is. So, let's get this open. Just the pull tabs now, because when I got my 12 Pro Max, it was still the plastic. There it is. And let's do this bottom one. Okay, the seal is now broken. But anyway, first reveal in 3, 2, 1. There it is. This thing is pretty. New titanium. There's the accessories. And there's the phone. New action button. What else comes in the box? I think it's just the braided USB-C cable and this paperwork. Yep, that's it. So, what's that? Close that up. So, with that being said, that is it, and thank you for watching.